So if you recall from part 11 on lipids, we talked about steroids and we talked about cholesterol specifically. We said that it was the major sterol in animals, and it was really, really important. It also maintains membrane fluidity. It's also amphipathic or amphiphilic, and it's also a steroid precursor. So it's a really, really important molecule. Now the question is, how do we make it? How do we make it? Well, there are actually 4 stages involved in making cholesterol. The first one is mevalonate synthesis. And I do want to comment on this and say that they're called stages, not steps, because each stage has many steps. So the first one, yes, is mevalonate synthesis, and we're going to be making mevalonate from acetyl-CoAs. So here we're starting off with 3 acetyl-CoAs here. Each one is 2 carbons long, and we're going to take them and combine them together to make this molecule here, which is mevalonate, which is 6 carbons long. So all 3 of these 2 carbon molecules will come together to make mevalonate. Now once we have mevalonate, the next thing we're going to do, the next stage, so this here, I guess I'll jot this down here, this is stage 1. Stage 2 here is called isopentenyl pyrophosphate synthesis, or IPP synthesis. And this, of course, is made from mevalonate. So this molecule here is IPP, isopentenyl pyrophosphate, and it's a 5-carbon molecule. Hence the pent there, referring to the 5 carbons. So mevalonate being 6 carbons long, isopentenyl pyrophosphate being 5 carbons long, we lose a carbon there as a carbon dioxide. Okay, we'll see more about that later. So that's stage 2. Stage 3 is squalene synthesis. Which is made from the condensation of 6 IPP molecules. So we're going to take 6 of these isopentenyl pyrophosphates in stage 3, and we're going to combine them together to make this molecule called squalene, which is this here. Squalene, rather large. So squalene, given that there are 6 isopentenyl pyrophosphates that are going to be combined to make squalene, 6 times 5 gives you these 30 carbons. So that's stage 3. Stage 4, the last stage is called squalene cyclization. And that's when we're actually going to form the steroid nucleus. That is those 4 rings, right? The steroid nucleus, the A, B, C, and D rings in cholesterol. And in that 4th stage, we're also going to be, this is going to include the modifications like oxidation, as well as the removal of the 3 carbons, because cholesterol has 27 carbons, you see here, whereas squalene has 30. So we're going to take this squalene with its 30 carbons, and in stage 4 here, we're going to convert it into cholesterol, which looks like that. You've seen that already. So in that 4th stage, we're going to lose 3 carbons to give us this final product, cholesterol. So in the next few videos, we're going to be sort of going over these 4 stages in a little bit more detail. Hope that video was helpful. Thank you for watching.